Hello, mate. You alright? Yeah. Yeah. Cheers. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have with me this beautiful smartphone. This is the UMIDIGI F2, and this is my full review. So this beautiful device retails to around 220 quid on Amazon UK. If you go to Banggood and Gearbest, you are going to get it cheaper, but do expect custom charges if you are ordering from abroad. Now throughout this week I've been using this phone in the case that comes with it. I'm a big fan of UMIDIGI cases. It's a smooth sort of matte black finish. It fits the phone really well. Adds that bit of extra grip because obviously it's a glass back and it's very slippy, and I wanted to protect the beautiful frame, body and back of the smartphone. There's plenty of room for connectors at the bottom. It's just a really nice case. What's even nicer is the F2 itself. Beautifully designed glass back, solid metal frame, and the quite attractive looking power button with the built-in fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor has been fairly good, maybe 9 out of 10 times it unlocks. And in terms of speed, I think that's quite quick enough as well. It's not really sluggish or slow. It does have face unlock, which I haven't really used, to be honest. Just been using the fingerprint sensor, but the Face ID does work and it does unlock the smartphone. The 6.5 3-inch display on the F2, resolution of 1080p, and the nice little hole punch camera tucked away in the corner. The display is very good, viewing angles are very good as well. You have a nice viewing experience on the F2's display. So it's powered by the Helio P70, has 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage. And in terms of performance, it's been absolutely fine. I compared this against the Galaxy A51 last week, and it was on par with everything the Galaxy A51 was doing. Gaming doesn't seem to be a problem either. Asphalt 9 ran in maximum, high settings, high graphical settings, and that handled that just fine. There are two minor little glitches that I found, well, for me personally. When using WhatsApp, you're chatting to a friend, you open up the camera to take a picture, press the shutter button, and it doesn't take a picture till maybe, 3-4 seconds later. Try it again, the same thing. So you have to keep the phone steady there until the phone decides to take a picture. In normal camera mode, it's fine, but for some reason with WhatsApp, it takes a few seconds. Another thing as well, when you're holding it in your left hand, primarily for me, trying to pull down the menu from the top with my thumb, if you're doing it anywhere near the camera housing, it doesn't sense that at all, so you have to bring your thumb slightly to the right for that to come down. Now, although this is a budget device, the F2 does have NFC built in, which is brilliant for people who use Google Pay. Also has the dark theme available. It's called dark theme on the F2. That works well, and obviously can reserve battery life in most cases. Obviously has GPS built in, and GPS connectivity and signal was accurate, very fast as well, and had no problems at all when using Google Maps either. It was on point. So we're going to jump onto the battery, 5,150 milliamps. Quite a big battery, and battery life is excellent. And the best day I got out of this was over 9 hours screen on time. Very impressed. I've been playing quite a lot of games on it, obviously Google navigation as well, video, YouTube, all sorts. So yeah, this will definitely get you through a day. Yeah, it's a great phone for battery life. Okay, so it's time to jump on to the camera. It's a quad camera smartphone, 48 megapixel main sensor. You have an ultra wide sensor, a macro and a depth lens as well. I compared this to the Galaxy A51 last week. The Galaxy A51 did come out on top for obvious reasons with the camera performance. But let me show you just the F2 on its own. This is a camera that obviously craves sunlight, and when there's sunlight there, I think the performance of this smartphone is very good. Standard shots and ultra wide shots have been excellent, in very good conditions. And if we compare it to a shot I took last week, when it was quite dull outside and very cloudy, you can see the colours are very dull and unwashed out. So in extreme sunlight or extremely good conditions, this phone performs really well. Look at the macro here as well in picture mode, and I didn't realise I could film in macro in video either. So have a look at this as well. That the detail is very, very good. The colours are good as well. So the F2 does excel in sunlight. Obviously in poorer conditions, then you do see a drop in performance really in camera. There is quite a bit of noise in there, slow shutter speed, slight movements, there's a blur in the picture. I think the video quality isn't too bad. Stabilisation could probably be a little bit better. But I think the best part for me on this is pictures. It does pictures really well. But it is a budget device, and anyone who has been buying UMIDIGI smartphones or Chinese smartphones will probably expect average performing cameras on these phones.
Yeah. No, they weren't that the hairdressers, were they? The toys? No. I didn't see them.
They weren't Tim's.
Were they there?
Yeah.
Sure? Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
I don't think they were.
So that's it, guys. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. I think the phone for the price is very reasonable. It's well designed. It looks beautiful. Supports fast charging. Has excellent battery life. It has a really nice display. And in good sunlight, the camera performs really, really well. A couple of little glitches that I showed earlier in the video, but I don't think that masks the £220 price tag in the UK for the F2. I think it's worth the money. It's a decent handset. And if you're a fan of UMIDIGI, I think you'll like the UMIDIGI F2. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please leave any comments down below. Links for this device will be in the description below. Amazon, GearBest, Banggood, take your pick. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.